Hey there, today we're checking out one of the new colors of the iPhone Magsafe wallets. This one is the Wisteria one, which is a lighter purple. In terms of compatibility, they're pretty much exactly the same as all the previous ones, just different colors. So if you get one of these, you can use it on any of the Magsafe compatible phones. For reference, this is the 12 Pro, which is Magsafe compatible. So as soon as you attach it, you'll see this come up. It looks fairly sleek and the purple goes well. You just click on continue and it'll show you your location on the map. It has this handy feature where it can notify you when detached, so ensure that's on. So for example, you'll see a pop-up notification like this. And this is how it looks like with one card in it. Pretty sleek and it doesn't really obstruct your grip. If you're using it with a case, try and get a Magsafe case. These ones have additional magnets in here just to enhance it. So put it on the case and then just attach this as well. Again, pretty good grip. These cases are exactly the same, so it will work on one of the previous Magsafe phones as well. I have the 12 Pro over here and fits perfectly fine just as well. If you're wondering about the magnet strength, these are pretty strong, so it shouldn't really come off as easily. Plus, you have that notification to alert you in case you lose it. One thing to note, the notifications aren't instant. You should receive a notification within 1 minute or so, which is still plenty of time, but just keep that in mind. Quick bonus tip, you can use these even in an empty phone case. You don't have to have the phone here. So in case you want to change up your case and leave this one at home, just stick it on here so that you avoid losing it.